What's going on, everyone? Today is May the 25th, 2023. We're going to talk about Solana today because this particular market, yeah, it's in free fall. So let's go ahead and get this video started now. You guys can see it. Let's keep it real. When you look at the price chart for Solana, we've been in a very slow and methodical downtrend. You guys can see that we've been making lower highs into the market in Solana ever since mid-April 2023. Now we're trying to figure out where could price go next in Solana, because when I did my last video for Solana on the 18th of May, I was kind of bullish. I was looking for the price to go up, and it wasn't even that high. I wasn't even looking for the market in Solana to go that high. I was just looking for it to go to 22 bucks and 50 cents. That was it. And the market couldn't even do that. So it even shows you how weak and how lackadaisical the market currently is in trying to move this market up. You can even tell that yesterday the market in Solana has taken out our area of support, or at best the point to where we said we do not want to see price fall, and it did it yesterday. Now we're going to look at this particular market in Solana right now, because this is where the buyers in Solana came in. So that's why we held this area as support, because of this particular moment in time, March the 15th, the 16th, to where the buyers came in. They're doing it again. That is why when you look at the price action in Solana yesterday, the market actually closed off the lows yesterday and the volume was heavy. So it tells me that buyers came in yesterday. That is why the current price action in Solana is higher. That's the only reason. So I know that buyers are still here. So we may not have to get rid of our price prediction if this continues, if the market continues to hold $19 as support. But let's pump the brakes. Let's look at the market in Solana real quick on the 2-day chart, because you guys can see it right here on this 2-day price bar that we're not seeing strength on the chart in Solana. If anything, this horizontal line right here around $19.65, that's going to be resistance. Okay, since price in Solana has traded below that area and we closed below that $19.65 area, we need to expect $19.65 to be resistance. Here's Solana on the 3-day. Okay, so this has been a very slow movement to the downside. Like, it hasn't been quick. But since mid-April, the market in Solana is down almost 26% right there. Here's Solana on the 5-day. So today's the last day for this current 5-day price bar in Solana. So I really don't see a massive indication that price wants to crash or plummet, but the market is free fall. That there's no basis to where price can go when you don't see emphasis of buyers entering the market trying to support price. You just don't see it right now. Now, on the conclusion of this 5 days, if we do see the market in Solana close off the lows like it currently is, then this is a probable precursor of strength, meaning in the next 5 days, we want to see price close higher than its previous one. So we're still kind of like in a wait and see period in the market in Solana as of right now. Take a look at Solana on the 2 weeks. And this is one reason, if you're looking for this from a weekly perspective, that's weakness there. And then this is a continuation of the weakness into the market in Solana. Okay, so we may actually see the market in Solana run down to $16 in the grand scheme of things. Here it is on the 3 weeks. This is where the market buyers should have confirmed right here on this 3-weekly price bar that they're still in control of the market. But they didn't do it. They left 26 bucks. Market didn't buy. Price came all the way down. And that's why we're still seeing a weakness currently. So when you combine all of these 3-weekly price bars right here, that doesn't look bullish. Outside of these 2 3-weekly price bars, every other 3-weekly price bar is weakness. Out of these 2, the remaining ones is weak. So out of 5 3-weekly price bars, out of 7 3-weekly price bars, 5 of them are weak. Okay. Here it is on the 5 weeks. Here it is on the monthly. So again, it doesn't look extremely bullish as of this recording. And for us, we have to keep it real. I wanted to show you this before I go. You guys can literally tell when you see seahorse price bars, this is what I termed it. This tells you that buyers are entering the market in Solana. So yes, buyers are here right now. As I record this video right now, buyers are here trying to support the price. Now, depending on your time frame, if you're looking at this from 3 weeks and onward, there's definitely more weakness on the chart. It doesn't mean on an hourly chart, a daily time frame, that the price in Solana won't go higher, because we're seeing it right now. They're trying to push this market up higher in Solana. Okay, so it's all about your time frame. How soon are you trying to be in the market and out the market? But yeah, don't fall for the market currently buying, because it's not going to last too much longer, I suspect. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and cut this last price prediction out of the way, because it wasn't a winner. So if we were to get out the market now in Solana, you guys can see we would be down 6.91%. And like I say, I show everything being fully transparent. You're not going to get every forecast correct, and that one didn't go for us. So now let's go ahead and do this though. We're going to follow the trend, okay? Because this area is going to be very impactful for us to come through and change our analysis. So the last time we saw price trend down, the market came all the way down to $16. It'll be great for us just to see the market in Solana hold 18, because we would just widen out the scale to which price has been traded within a range. Okay, so it will be something like this. This could be a possible trading range in the market in Solana. If we don't hold 18, then 16 would have to be the trading range into the market in Solana. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to look for a price in Solana to continue to drift and go lower. Like I said, I'm not looking for a crash though. I'm not looking for price to run down to $10. I don't see that on the chart. But what I also don't see is, in a longer term, buyers still interested in buying Solana at these levels. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart, and we'll let you go. So that first target is going to be 18. Okay, so that's 7.22%. $17.99, $18. My second target is going to be $17, which is 12.48% there. 12.48, $16.97, $17, give or take. Third would be 16 even, that's 18% move total to the downside in Solana. All right, so that is that, and we're going to extend out this price bit just a little bit further, and we're going to follow this downtrend, because this is what we want the market to do, to tell us that we're still trending and we're following the market. So even if we do see price go up to 20, even $20, and maybe even 21, that's nothing to get hyped about. It's not, because we can already tell that, if anything, that's what the market's trying to do right now. Okay, so give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.